So you're doing everything right. Eating better, working out, saying no to that second cookie, but the scale won't budge. Or worse, it goes up. It's frustrating. Your clothes don't fit the same. You barely recognize yourself in photos. And the advice you get, just try harder. But you are trying, harder than ever. This isn't just about looks. It's about energy, confidence, and feeling like you. After 40, your body changes. Slower metabolism, shifting estrogen, higher cortisol, and it needs a different kind of support. You don't need more restriction. You need to work with your body, not against it. That's where this hormone-supporting smoothie comes in. It's not just tasty. It's targeted nutrition that helps rebalance your body from the inside out. Here's what it includes. Protein to preserve muscle and curb cravings. Fiber to support blood sugar and gut health. Healthy fats for hormone production and inflammation relief. Phytoestrogens from flax seeds to gently support estrogen levels. 1. 40 to 2 minutes 15 seconds. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup unsweetened almond or coconut milk. 1 scoop protein powder or 1/2 cup full-fat Greek yogurt. A big handful of spinach. 1 tablespoon ground flaxseed. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. 1/4 avocado. 1/2 cup berries. Optional. Cinnamon or maca powder for added hormone support. Just blend until smooth and enjoy. This smoothie is a small but powerful act of self-care. Your body isn't broken. It's just asking for new support. So instead of fighting it, fuel it with what it truly needs. If this resonated with you, give it a like, subscribe, and grab the free 5-day meal plan to take the next step. You're not alone in this journey, and you absolutely can feel strong, vibrant, and yourself again.